For Shalane and Mike Rodriguez Pena, their pregnancy with their daughter was seemingly no different from their firstborn sons. After Ryan's birth, Shalane suspected something was wrong in her daughter's first weeks.
By the time she was 3 months old, it was quite obvious that she wasn't making any efforts to hold her head up during tummy time. There was no batting at toys, there was no movement, there was nothing. Her hands were still fisted. She was tested for well over 1,000 diseases. For the next 7 months, it was spinal taps, MRIs, nerve conduction studies, muscle biopsies, bloods. The trauma that she went through and I was unreal. So we got the answer. It was the month before she turned 1. So she was 11 months old. So she was diagnosed with AADC deficiency, aromatic l-amino acid decarboxylase deficiency. It's a deficiency in the neurotransmitter, serotonin and dopamine.
Through the AADC Trust in England, they learned about an innovative gene therapy being tested in clinical trials in Poland and the United States. When Rian turned 5, she underwent the brain surgery in Poland and became the 12th child in the world to receive AADC gene therapy. Dr. Krystof Bankiewicz and Dr. Russell Lonser at Ohio State helped develop the pioneering AADC gene therapy. Most importantly, Drs. Bankiewicz and Lonser invented the surgical technique for delivering gene therapy to a precise location in the brain where it begins restoring the body's ability to produce dopamine and serotonin.
It was an 8.5-hour brain surgery that changed her life. That is the day that our daughter was reborn. Ever since then, it's been 3 years, and she's still crushing milestones every month. 2 months after surgery, she started holding her head up. Then she started batting for toys. Then she started sitting. Then she started rolling. And we celebrate everything, every small, every big milestone, all of the hard work in between. And we're very, very thankful and forever indebted to Dr. Bankiewicz and just this incredible science.
Good job, Ryan. I love you, Ryan.
Drs. Bankiewicz and Lonser, along with other physicians and scientists at the Ohio State Neuroscience Institute, continue to treat children with AADC. They also are conducting clinical trials to determine whether gene therapy can help the millions of people suffering from the muscle, movement, and brain disorders, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and Huntington's disease.